So I homebooted my Wii U. This is the VV, the virtual Wii. Anyways, I got Nintendo's, and this is what it does. So that I'm using an SD card. Now everything that this that arrow touches is a game. So let's go load up Shadow the Hedgehog. It's gonna do this. It's gonna ask you, do you want to display the screen in progressive mode? I always pick yes. And it does this. You can play on a TV, I'm just listening to music, but I used to go see the gamepad. Sega made this game. So did the Sonic team. Then here we go. See you later.